Enjoy 1% merchant commission when you accept Lanka Pay cards. Contact these banks today.
I have made a powder with my wife. It's called SSP 68. That is special stabilizing powder to use the road about 1 feet. I mix with the powder with that losing earth. So and I'm using little water and compacting the road. But I come with the road first, go water right down on the sides. So after that I'm compacting the road, CBR to come up. So that is CBR checked by the R&DA Road Development Authority, which I had done in Anuradhapura. So they were using their laboratory people to do the research there. So there the TRD also engineers, R&DA engineers, TOs all came and checked properly. So they were very happy because they were looking at the CBR before doing the road. They want my powder to test it. So they tested. I have the report there, 181. So then that is CBR. Normally I told you what is the normally rural roads, 30 to 45 rural road. Highways 80 to 90 above. So my method is going 124 to 138. So CBR is so much better. My method we can do it for the road, rural road, especially rural road and others. Because CBR is there. They want to do it behind the Madhu Church road, that is jungle. So they said to bring my powder sample and they want to test the samples. It came to about 425, about 400 to 4. So they said, very good this is, and they gave me the report also. This is there nothing wrong on the environmentally. I got the ITI reports. Then I went and gave to the Environment Authority. Then they gave me the letter, there are no harm to the environment. See, now what happened, they gave me Bandaragama, that was, they had done the damage for the road, put in pipes. Bandaragama is 2009. Then 1 kilo, then Mr. Pascaling, I will mention about that. So they called me and he told me to do a 1 kilometer. Then they gave me rubber, 6 meters wide, and I had to put the 4 meter carbon. So I did, so they are very happy. Now almost 7 years. I am trying to export already because I went to take the pain and think those are a little bit problems for us. Anyway, I am not going to stop that because it's country now, we need the dollars. No? We have a problem with the dollar. So that is the easiest way to I can take it. So I must thanks to Mr. Pascaling because others are not happy. Mr. Pascaling gave me, then after that, he gave me after 1 year waiting and he gave me 25 kilometers from the, that means Jaffna, Mullatiu, Chava Kacheri, Vaunia and Mena. So last time the subcommittee was approved my method and our President Secretary, Mr. Ekanai, yes. He also in the board and he has signed. So I must thanks to them. They thought because this is the cheapest thing. Normally when you are going to do a road like that with a culvert, that will take to 3 crores and half. I have already done that time, 7 years back, 98 lakhs. Normally labor is coming about 4 people, 4 to 5 people. I want motor grader, roller and water bowser. Three machines. That another one wants a sprayer. That's all. The others are using a lot of machinery. In this matter, nothing, not necessary. They were very keen to do this type of because it's cheaper cost. They were trying to get this method because others are spending a lot of money doing the road. I want to do it. There is a culvert on the bottom, 4 feet or 5 feet down. So then after that they want to put a pipeline or whatever it is, they don't want to cut the main road. So they can go through on that to the other people and this side people. Even the electricity, they want to take the cable, they can go. So I want to keep it about 200 meters. And my road is very smooth because we are not putting ABC, it's not rattling. Only thing the PRD has to maintain that. That means side you get the bushes are coming and some water comes and one there. Only brush and do it. They want the warranty for 1 year. I said no, I do it this way. Every 3 months I'll come with you. That is better now, every month. So I went there. So they were very happy.